Hey guys, hope you had a really good Christmas and New Year's. It's a very, well, mildly cold January morning. We've got lots of chicken-based tasks to do today. But I thought this was a good time to let you meet them all. Hello lovelies. Here they are. Hello. Number 1, number 5, Wattles, Roo, and the feathers at the back. They need their breakfast. So this setup is really for bird flu reasons. We've got a tarpaulin in the top to stop any excrement coming in, try and keep the rain off, which should protect them from that kind of contamination. We've got butterfly net down here to stop any robins flying in. And yeah, they've got the natural metal run in there as well, just to stop anything bigger going in, to keep them in as well in their run. And they've got to be housed until the order's lifted, so they're in there for a bit. It's all muddy in there, so I might relocate them to a fresh bit of grass sometime soon. But they're 12, 13 I think weeks old. Hatched them from chicks and they're doing okay. And I think it might be time to think about putting a bigger run and upgrading them. As you can probably see there, that door isn't shut properly. The bedding gets in the way, the chickens kick it up, and the automatic door opener and closer just can't operate properly. So the big job for today is to take off that door and mount it on the outside. And I'm probably going to need to be on the inside to do this. So after all that, you can actually see it's getting caught on this high clip at the door. So the door still doesn't shut. I'm going to try and remove the clip, but might also just be stuck on the hook. We'll see what happens. And yeah, there you can see with the clip removed, it actually shuts properly. So that is a successful repositioning of the door on this Nestera chicken coop. So thanks for joining us today from the chicken run. I'm going to make my way out of here at some point. But yeah, those are the chickens. This is our setup. I'm going to relocate them soon. Yeah, I think a bigger space is probably more important now. Bird flu is a problem. This isn't a large enough space. I think now they've got to this certain age. So the next few weeks we'll look at upgrading this setup. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog.